可以啊，可以啊，
都係講 K 個。
冇錯。
Good afternoon, everyone.
Do you need some water?
It's okay. Good afternoon, everyone. This is our new facility. I call the immersive cave. Okay, because like for the previous for many industries, I will use the VR. But that one just only for one person. However, this just for the train. Many of the company or like education will use in the future will use the cave. So everyone just could able to go inside and will have the immersive for the visualization from inside this box. And also before that, let me just introduce for this facility. Actually, for the hardware. We need to have the projector and also the sensor as well. Okay, so the projector could able to show those and also to combine all the 3D environment from inside over here. Okay, so for this demo, just show you the architecture model. From the building design, and here we just look from the 2D view. Maybe let me show you the camera and see the 3D view and what it looks like. Okay, hold on. Let me pick up the camera. Can you try?
Yeah, can you see the flipping?
Please pick one of it. Okay, let's pick one of it. Okay. And please come inside and look.
So we can use this cave simultaneously.
But here we only have one camera button. So for the viewport, we have a master one. The other side.
And also we for
This one is the master.
For this one, got the tracker, and anyone may put the tracker over there, and you try to move and see. Because when he try to move, and you will see it got the sensor and check from your motion, and afterward you will see the. So this is the tracker, and also
The magnet function is very good.
for the one here.
And outside.
Actually, got the controller from there as well. Okay, you may try the tracker first. Sorry, you may try for the tracker.
Let's trigger.
Okay, so may pass another student to try for the tracker. Yes. Give a couple of minutes. Yeah. And this one is not only used for the construction field, and also maybe I will show you like we may use it for the education. Okay. So everyone try. So how long would that take? 30 seconds? Or 30 minutes?
Yeah, it depends on them. I'm
depends
okay.
on them. Okay.
And depends on your lunch.
Okay. So everyone tried the track already? The tracking? Can you try?
Yes.
Yes, now maybe I would like to show you. Let me show you here this time I may use it for the one over here. This is for the medical, for the training. Okay, anyone to keep this tracker? So please come inside, and this is the simulation for the medical center here. You may try to look inside, go to the front, and look to the
What?
Nothing happened. Yeah, you try to look inside and see. Can you see like similar like this? And you may also use the controller. Let me show you. Here, for example, play the E button and pick up, and you may try it. Pick up the lump and the bomb.
绝对会出大问题。
哦，正好是一个那个就是 MRI
这个大磁铁。
对，这是这样。
CRT。
在移动。
Anyone want to try? The tracker and the controller? Yeah, we try. But for this, we just use the because developing the company will also use the Unity for the Unity. You know, there will be the open software for the developer. So afterward, if you want to write the apps for this hardware, so you may try it. Because this is just only these two elements. If there is a programmer, so
yeah,
we'll
we
be
can
able
do it.
to fix it and make more interaction.
So which sensor are we using? The top
sensor
one or the bottom one?
Should be
Upper one.
Should be the
Upper
bottom
one.
one.
Yeah.
The bottom one.
They have 6 cameras, I remember.
Because at this moment we haven't developed because those are from this company. We still haven't started to develop the apps the software for
So what's the difference between the bottom one and the top one?
That one will have more interaction, like click the button and then we'll have more interaction. So this is another sensor.
The red one and then the base station?
We're asking the red one and the green one.
Square one, flip side.
Yes.
Square one is the 5 base sensor base station. So you can use the 5 settings here. So somehow they also have the other marker. So they allow 2 tracing systems at the same time. One is the motion capture system using the whiteboard, the marker. Another is using the 5. So it really depends on your needs. So or somehow you can do it together. But if we have
already?
Motion capture, because it's really expensive, so we will not use the 5.
Okay, so
Because I remember
let me show you another
Yeah.
function.
It's cheaper.
You may play games, etc. And I'll just show you able to play a 360 video. Okay, let me show you.
This one.
Just loading the 360 for the video. Okay. And like for example, this is the one that for our other teacher, instructor, he took the 360 video to look from the plant room over there, because like for the training for the student, they're not, because too many students, they're not able to come inside. And so we just take the this video as 360, so we will show it from here. Okay? And also let me show you more. Okay. Because we got lighting here, it will be for the mask. From the space, and also like for the building surface for the training, and that will be simulate for the construction simulation for the construction work. Okay. And also let me show you one more about the high-speed railway for the video.
One of the killer applications is BRM. We call it building infrastructure management. So somehow, because we spend a lot of money in the building infrastructure building, okay? So most likely they will install a cave and then let all the people, they can visualize the 3 cameras at the same time.
360 video. You will see that, you may try.
But we can only use this one to control our view.
Yeah.
Or we can use that one.
That one, because this is just only 300 video, we're not able to. The other one
Only
we
orientation,
use
not
apps
position.
to develop it. So like this one, you will see here. This is the research from the high-speed railway.
Can we?
Yeah.
Can I go?
Yeah, you try. This is just video actually.
So you need to stay here
We
and
cannot.
then send it here, and then you
You
can
will feel.
have the full control of all the things.
You will feel
Can we go for? No.
just a little
No,
bit
it's
of thing.
360-degree camera, so you cannot capture all the things. If it's a Matterport, and then you capture the 3D structure, so somehow you can
Oh.
move to other place,
Oh.
but it's not the,
It's
yeah, it's
only
RGB, not RGBD setting.
Oh, only a view.
Anyone want to try? Please let me play this video again. Oh, let me play this video again. Okay. So you will feel that feel you are inside the train, inside this railway. So we call immersive for the visualization. Okay. And also, teacher mentioned as before, we will put the technology for the construction industry for the BIS building information modeling. Let me show you the last one. Okay, here we use the beam viewer that this company developed. Okay.
If you really want to develop this kind of thing, so you can use the Unity, build a model, but with I would say that without the particle system, because most of them they cannot support the shader, so they can only support the basic 3D model.
So I change it to
Then
3D view, still able to see.
You can go to Rotanic, so there is a export hub. You can import your video project and export into a case setting, so they will handle all the things for you.
Okay, the format to support from the apps will be FBX format. Okay, and let me just show you one of the
Have I mentioned
examples.
FBX for you? Yeah, I guess I have also mentioned FBX.
So this is
Model.
just like the example for the student design project. So you could look at inside. So the student work for the design for the modulated integrated construction MIC column. Okay. So this. So you want to try? Yeah, move. One, that one. Because that one do not have the collision. You may put the track. You may also use the track. You want to
Yeah,
take it to 3D view or because now I use the 2D
Enough
view.
time.
Sorry. So we set the motion as well.
Why?
But not much. So if you use it for a long period of time, you feel dizzy.
Yeah.
So have you take rest?
Oh.
Because we don't have the correction for this app, so you could able to travel go through it. Okay, that's good. So anyone want to try? Or you want to play games?
I don't know, it depends on.
Huh? Yes?
Yes.
Play games? Okay. So if you're interested, you will develop a game. You want to let me start. Okay, yes, this is the game. You want to play, you may just shoot this. Shoot the one. Anyone want to try? Shoot the one here. Here, you get it? Anyone want to try? You want to see it from 3D view? Because now it should be 2D view. I just change it to 3D view and then see.
因為你見到冇 particle system 嘅話，個人會差差少少。因為佢大部分 particle system 係你嘅，
So
你 particle
what's your
system 係
feeling?
你個 camera。
The
咁你要聽埋嘅話一邊，咁呢度而家其實亞灣有4個 projector，即係80 camera，咁你就拿到呢個拍到。
You okay?
哦，頭先佢講我以為可以每個人同時睇到呢個 3D 場，唔係唔同。
最多2個，每120個 first 啫嘛。咁如果你最多你咪除4咯，咁咪30個 first，咁即係最極限。
唔係點解可以做到最多2個？
最多2個咪而家你左右。
Anyone want to try?
咁如果4個咁咪多30咯。
如果我
This come, yeah, this
同
come
一個
inside.
屏幕，會點？
Right here.
都有2個唔同
You
嘅
want to
出
try? Okay.
同埋2個唔同嘅機場。
Fine.
咁所以你都需要多1個。
Are you scary? Why? Just shoot the thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
同
Shoot
時
the thing.
我都係得1個。你講2個一齊買，佢就會 fit 4碼咯。
The one over. But you dizzy.
左
Oh,
邊
it's
右邊
true.
就會喺2個先係 fit 咯。係啦。
可以唔可以同時睇？
可以咪最多同時2個咯，即係跟個
So this one.
哦，譬如你而家咧係一個 position，咁你左眼有一個 position 右眼有一個 position，當我有4隻眼，咁咪1、2、3、4個 position 同4個 position 咯。所以咧，佢本身咧120 hertz 咧係會隨住左右眼，而家變咗120 hertz，咁就係通常就1、2之後3、4。
So actually, we develop a lot.
就一個 friend 係 for 你右眼，一個 friend 係 for 你左眼。
係啦，咁如果係2個人就咁樣咯。咁如果再低啲嘅話就唔得，因為你遮嘅時間就太耐，咁就差唔多啦。
咁如果遮嘅時候，我可以睇到咩？咩都睇到。
咩都睇到喎，咩都睇到㗎。其實 IMAX
咁其實就係同一時間一個人，
每
同一時間每個人。
係每一張相係每一張相係一沓片㗎嘛。
Okay, any question you want to
係啊
ask?
除非就係你唔係 flat 嘅，有另外一種做法嘅，就唔係一個叫做 flat screen，就係一個叫 curve 嘅嘢。咁所以咧就 LED 咧就會有個 RGB，咁你就可以同一時間射2支嘢喺
This
2個
setting
眼
is
嗰度。
this 360
咁一樣嘢嘅話
degree.
就想買咯，嗰個問題唔處理。
Motion capture to sense you. For example, you touch a button. Oh, that one. That one I think. This one not.
你講得啱喎。
而家咧 app 出嚟，不如
多人用係啊。但係呢通常就大公司會用咯，同埋而家譬如新聞過咧，我哋而家去嗰啲智障學校咧，佢哋2年內就每間學校都會有一個咁嘅 case。
但係咧，同一時間佢哋係一個人，
係㗎。
所以你 Oculus Quest 都係一個人，所以你不如每一個人配一個 Oculus Quest，
都係㗎，
仲勁我哋個。
但係呢個就影相好睇。
係啊，都係影相。
係啊。
係啊。不人全部。
And you mean for the sensor?
Oculus Quest 就出嚟一隻。
Sensor just
影相好睇啦，同埋譬如有啲叫 building infrastructure 咯，咁啊譬如一啲可能大型嘅地盤，都花好多錢去做嗰啲 3D 模型㗎嘛，呢個實物佢咪再花一嚿錢落喺呢度，所以就通常而家就變咗係 BIM 咯 ，building infrastructure 嗰邊多人用，其他就冇，呢個由於由嚟㗎。我唔知喎。
and then discuss any problem. For example, the
有你有 marker 你可以加幾多個
and then
碼？
we do it half
係啊，但係咧就係你越加多 marker 嘅話，佢個 case 嗰度咪越勁咯。你部機嘅話越複雜嘅就越多。
And also because we still not develop a lot.
因為佢自帶一個手嘅 motion capture。
即係你見我都冇計。
對對對。
其實我哋而家嗰個 HTC 5都需要呢個 sensor，但係 Oculus Quest 都唔使。
但係佢就冇得知道你 position，可以估嘅啫，咁可以估咯，但係又唔係太準確。
但係你 position 而家可以行嘅範圍又太細，好似又冇咩特別嘅意義。
係。
除非係真係一個廣場呢樣俾你跑。
我哋揾一日咧，我睇下先，我睇下有冇 budget，我哋去
Any more question?
佢講緊咧就係一個可以咁大地方，你個環球個 VR 入去，
我睇其他人去。
係啦，
How
我哋
much?
就話
This one about 600,000.
600,000. I guess it's only
Because it's also
300,000.
need the
yeah.
hardware as well. Put those
係喎，你
hardware.
計嗰啲機一部可能10萬嘅。
So if you're interested, develop something from Unity and then try from here as well. So it's free for you to make a booking. If you got any FBX file, you can try as well.
Do you have any questions? If no, please say thank you.
Oh,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. You're welcome.